Right. In figure, if AB equal to AC, in figure, if AB equal to AC, in figure, if AB equal to AC, prove that BE equal to EC. BE equal to BE equal to, okay. Question, in figure, AB equal to AC. Show that BE equal to EC. BE equal to EC. BE equal to EC. Okay. So you went for the test for AP. Okay. You have to answer, I think, 3 questions, I think. Okay. Time, I don't know. This all question preparation and all not my part. That's some other part. Somebody preparing and send me with the answer, timing and all. Only correction, only my part. That maybe they will discuss it. Okay. Okay. Anyway, try. Question here. AB equal to AC. Listen. AB equal to AC. Okay. AB equal to AC. Prove that BE equal to EC. Prove that BE equal to EC. Okay. Try now. Figure understood? Question clear? In figure, AB equal to AC. Show that BE equal to CE. BE equal to CE. Okay, try now. You got? Okay. Look at here. Listen. Here, AB equal to AC, number 1, given. AB equal to AC, number 1 is given. AD equal to AF, number 2. Reason what? Tangent from an external points are equal. Tangents from an external points are equal. 1 minus 2. What happened? AB minus AD equal to BD. AC minus AF, CF. But BD equal to BE. You write full. Then CF equal to CE. Don't answer like this. Okay. I'll give a note. Hello. Write this way. First you write AB equal to AC. Right. AB equal to AC. Given. Then AD equal to AF. AD equal to AF. Tangents from an external points are equal. 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 Okay, 1 minus 2. AB minus BD equal to AB minus AD equal to AC minus AF. AC minus AF. That is BD equal to CF. BD equal to CF. Call it number 3. But BD equal to CE, BD equal to CE, BD equal to CE, comma, CF equal to CE, CF equal to CE, CF equal to CE. In bracket, right? Tangents from an external points are equal. Tangents from an external points are equal. Therefore, this is call it, and that call it number 4. From 3 and 4 we get 3, and from 3 and 4 we get BE equal to CE. BE equal to CE. Okay, finish. Okay. Okay now? Can we split AB into, yeah, AB into AD plus, correct. AB into AD plus BD, correct. No problem. No problem. Okay. Instead of minus plus, then equal part cancel, correct or no? Adira. Then you cancel AD and AF. We got BD and CF, correct or no? Okay, that's no problem. Okay, it's okay. So it's finished now, right? Okay. How BD equal to BE? Hey, come on, Benson. BD and BE are tangents. You didn't attend the tangents first class. BD equal to BE because both are tangents. BD tangents from B to D and B to E. BD equal to BE. Tangents from external points are equal. CF equal to CE. Tangent from external points are equal. Are you okay now? I think you didn't attend the tangents first class. Okay, now okay or not? Hello. Okay, your class, which chapter going on now? Okay, so this chapter only one theorem. What? Tangents from an external points are equal. Okay, next question. In figure, ABCA of triangle ABC touch a circle with center O. 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 Center O. And radius center O and radius R. Radius R at PQRS. PQR. Prove that one. Prove that one AB plus CQ equal to AC plus BQ. 2. Area of triangle ABC equal to half of perimeter of triangle ABC. Half of perimeter of triangle ABC. Half of perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay, for us, listen. In figure, the sides. No, okay, I'll read again. In figure, the sides. Okay, the sides BC, AB, AC of triangle ABC touch a circle with center O at P, Q, R respectively. Okay, P, Q, R respectively. Okay, prove that one AB plus CQ equal to AC plus BQ. Second one, area of triangle ABC, half of area of triangle, half of perimeter of ABC. Half of perimeter of ABC. Okay, try now. Okay, try. Prove that one. Listen here, you can see the board, Ayan. Prove that one. Look, you can see the board or not? Why I want to read full? Okay, you try. Only one theorem only applied. Okay, tangents from an external point are equal. Tangents from an external point are equal. Okay.
Anybody got? Hello? Anybody got or not? Sri Lanka, you got? Okay, okay. Then next, guys. First part. Okay, first part. Then second part, sure we'll get it. Okay. Only first one. Look at here, the first part. Hello, listen here. First part, I'll show you. Look. First part. Look. First of all, you know, AP equal to AR, right? AP equal to AR. BP equal to BQ. CQ equal to CR. This all same reason. What? Tangent from an external points are equal. Okay, we want AB plus CQ equal to AB, we can write AP plus BP plus CQ. Okay. AP, we can write AR. BP, we can write BP, we can write what? BQ plus CQ equal to RC. CQ equal to RC. So what? AR and RC combine. AR and RC combine AC. AC plus BQ. This is the first part. First part okay now? First part okay or not? This Asta, every day you are late. What is the problem? Asta, every day you are getting late. See, now you reach 4:35 instead of 4:15. Second part what? Second part, area of triangle ABC. Abhishek, area of triangle ABC equal to half perimeter of ABC into R. Half, okay, half perimeter of ABC into R. Okay, now second part, look at here. Hello, second part. Are you okay? First part okay or no? Okay, listen. First part, okay. Benson. Hello. First part, clear or not? Okay, now second part, look at here. Second part, how we'll get it? Look, second part, a chota construction. Look at here. Look at here, second part. Look, we join this one. Okay, look, area, don't write now. Area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC. Correct or not? Area of triangle ABC equal to AOB plus BOC plus EOA. And we know that this angle 90, this is 90, this is 90. Why? Radius through the point of contact. So half AOB, half AB into R, half AB into radius plus BOC, half BC into R plus half AC into R. Okay, what's the common? Half R common. AB plus BC plus CA. What is that? Half into perimeter of triangle ABC into R. Finished now? AB plus BC plus CA is perimeter. Anybody got this one? Hello, anybody got? Okay, try now. Okay, right. Okay, so clear now. So next question. I have one technical question. Hello. Hello. Okay. Anyone using this GoPro? No idea. Yes. Anyone using GoPro? Using GoPro 4? Okay. Abhimanyu, how we convert to mobile? I want to buy one. Now it is 9 is available. Not in Kuwait. 8 is available. Is it easy to transfer to mobile? Okay. So next question. In figure, hello. Next question. In figure, two circles touch each other. R we need. What about R? R we need in the question. Read. Question is what? Area of triangle ABC equal to half perimeter triangle ABC into R. Maybe you missed that R. Okay. Next question. Right. Two circles touch each other. Two circles touch each other. Two circles touch each other. two circles touch each other at the point C. Two circles touch each other at the point C. Okay, at the point C. Here C. This is A. Here is B. Okay. Prove that the common tangent to a circle at C. Prove that the common tangent at a circle at C. This is the common tangent. Okay, at C. Bisect the prove that the common tangent to a circle. Sorry, the common tangent at C bisect the tangent at bisect the common tangent at P and Q. Okay, P and Q. Okay, that means we have shown that PR equal to CQ. Sorry, PR equal to RQ. PR equal to RQ. Okay, so listen here. The circle circle with center A and B in the touch at A at C. Here one tangent. This is another tangent. This is a common tangent. This is also common tangent. Look at here. Listen. Hey, don't start. There are two types of common tangent. There is direct common tangents and indirect common tangents. For example, PQ is called direct common tangents. What? PQ is called direct common tangents. Reason is both circles are same side. Like this. Listen. Look, same side only. That is called a direct common tangents. Listen. If the circles are same side of the tangent, it is called the direct common tangents. If it is other side, look, one is here, one is here. This is indirect common tangents. Indirect common tangents. Okay, forget about that issue now. Now here, the question is here, listen, Hamza. Circles with center A and B touch at C. There is one tangent at C intersecting the common tangent at R. We have shown that RP equal to RQ. That's the question. We have shown that RP equal to RQ. Okay, RP equal to RQ. Try now. Clear now? CR is a tangent. Okay, and PQ also tangent. So show that RP equal to RQ. Try. Question clear now, Rubasri? Okay, try. Okay, finish. Hello, finish or not? It's simple. Look at here. RP equal to RC. Correct or not? RP equal. Okay, let me. I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay. Okay, look at here. RP equal to RC. Number one. Reason what? Only one reason. It straight away you write tangents from an external points are equal. Then RQ equal to RC. Number two. Okay, no. This one equal to this one. This equal to this one. So what? RP equal to RQ. Finish. I hope everybody got right. Come on. Okay, everybody got. Faraz also got. Okay, good. What about Arjun? Come on, Arjun. Arjun absent today? Hey, Arjun Mawjood. Hello, Arjun. You didn't get? Oh, you're doing? Oh, come on. What is this one doing, man? Just two line. RP equal to RC. Reason, tangents from an external points are equal. RQ equal to RC with respect to other circle. Finish. Still doing. Alia, you got? Michelle. Priscilla, how's the test today? Michelle, Priscilla, how's the test? Why less time? Okay, so next question, right? If a hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F, right? If a hexagon, right? Hexagon, how many sides? If a hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F, circumscribe a circle. Circumscribe a circle. If a hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F, circumscribe a circle, prove that AB plus CD, AB plus CD plus EF, AB plus CD plus EF equal to BC plus DE plus FA. AB plus circumscribe, that means circle, not circumference, higher. Circumscribe means just touches. Okay, if a hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F, circumscribe a circle, prove that AB plus CD plus EF. Look, AB plus CD plus EF equal to BC plus DE plus FA. BC plus DE plus FA. Okay, here it's not exactly, we draw exact figure. Okay, it's not like this. Okay, look at here. What to draw? Draw a circle. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Here actually touching, it's not like this. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So what do you show? AB plus CD plus EF equal to, what do you find out? AB plus CD plus EF equal to BC plus DE plus FA. Okay, DE plus FA. Okay, Hira, understood what is circumference, circumscribe. Okay, still circumscribe means just touches like this. Okay, still look at it. Circumference different, circumscribe means just touches. Okay, okay, try this one. We need AB plus CD plus EF equal to BC plus DE plus FA. Okay, try now. Okay, try. Okay, finish. For all God, we can, if you want, you can write here P, Q, R, S, T, U. Then, correct or no? AB plus CD plus EF, we can write AB what? AP plus BP. CD we can write CR plus DR. EF we can write ET plus FT. Okay, correct or no? From this one, we want BC. So we want BC whole get BQ plus, okay, AP we can write AU, change it all. AU, BP we can write BQ, CR we can write CQ, DR we can write DS, ET, we can write ES. FT, we can write FU. So you will get it. Correct or not? Right? Hello. It changed everything. Because we know that AP equal to RU, AP equal to AU, BP equal to BQ, CQ equal to CR, DR equal to DS, ES equal to ET, FT equal to FU. Okay, then we will get it. Yeah, same, Lakshmi. So that's why I used tangent from external points are equal only. Correct or no? AP equal to AU, tangent from an external points are equal. BP equal to BQ, same. Okay. Clear or not? Okay. Hello, finish it first. So one more class enough this chapter to finish it. Yes. Hafsa, yes. Yes. You want the record? Okay, I'll send you. Every class is recording. Okay, from the beginning. So Snigdha, you asked the same thing, right? No, but 110, same class, right? Okay. So you prepare now the AP test. Yeah, you have the date, then I can check it. AP revision S 110 there is. I'll send you. Okay. 110 is ready with me. You want AP first revision? Okay. Okay. Hyra, I send you. Check it. So next question, right? ABC is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral such that angle D 90 degree. Angle D 90 degree. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral such that angle D 90 degree. Angle D 90 degree. Angle D 90 degree. A circle with center of radius R. A circle with center of radius R. A circle with center of radius R touches the sides AB. Touches the side AB. Touches the side AB, BC, CD, DA, CD, DA, CD, DA at PQRS respectively. At PQRS respectively. PQRS respectively. Question again. Listen. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral such that angle D 90 degree. Angle D 90. Okay. A circle with center or radius R touches the sides AB, BC, CD, DA at PQRS respectively. PQRS respectively. If BC equal to 38, BC equal to 38 centimeter, CD 25, CD 25 centimeter, BP 27. Find the radius R. Find the radius R. Find the radius R. Once again, A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. A circle touches the sides AB, BC, CD, and DS at PQRS respectively, angle D 90 degree. And BC equal to 38, CD equal to 25, BP equal to 27. Find the radius. To prove Agamir, to find the radius, not to prove, to find the radius. Lakshmi, it is wrong. Okay, it is wrong. You have to find the radius. Okay, come on, find out. Find out first. Which side is 27? 27 is BP. BP, this is 27. Okay.
Okay, Chaitanya, Shreya, may be correct. Ganja, wrong. Ganja, no luck. Check again. Shreya is lottery or guess or you work out it. Chaitanya. Oh, okay, good. So, DPS, all the papers you got, social studies also you got? How much you got Ganja social studies? Anybody got social studies full? Not 5 marks. Okay, no problem. Science Ganja, how much you got? Science total. 46 out of 50, right? Okay, good. Maths, social studies were hard. Why? Social studies were hard. Oh, Yubasri got social studies 48. Come on, good. 48. So you have good by hearting capacity. Correct or no? Full by hearted. Okay, look at here now. R, come on, come to the point. R equal to. Let us see. Look at here. I joined this one. Look, I joined here. Join this one. So this angle 90, radius to the point of contact. This angle 90, radius to the point of contact. This 90 given. So this also 90. So this is a rectangle. It's a square now because this is R, here R, this also R, right? Okay. Now, CD 25. So this is 25 minus R. Correct or no? 25 minus R. BP 27. This is 27. This also 27. Okay. Then BC 38. BC 38 means BQ 11. Correct? And CR equal to CQ. 25 minus R equal to 11. R equal to 14. Finish. R equal to 14. For all got. R equal to 14. Clear or not? You join, listen, you join this angle 90. Radius through the point of contact. This is 90 given. This 90 radius to the point of contact. Therefore, this 90 angle some property of a quadrilateral. Hence, write the reason all. Hence, this is a formal question. Hence, OSDR is a square or a rectangle. No problem. Okay, all angles are 90 degrees. So this R, this also R, opposite side. Hence, CR equal to 25 minus R. BP 27. So BQ 27. Hence, CQ 11. CR equal to CQ. Tangent from an external points are equal. So 25 minus R equal to 11. R equal to 40. Okay. Abhimanyu, you got? Abhimanyu, hello. The board. Request to the board. Which board, man? Board? Raras. What board? Oh, okay. Already prepared. She already prepared the paper. Okay. No, it's easy, I think. It's quite easy. You prepare still time now. Till we have, when we finish 6 o'clock. Okay. 4 hours there is. Enough. 1 hour you prepare it. At least 1 hour. Only one chapter. Okay. At least 1 hour. Prepare AP. It'll be easy paper. Okay. Only, I think 3 questions, I think. I don't know exactly. Okay. So 2 sections. One is basic and second one sum. Okay, just 1 hour from. I'll stop at 6 o'clock. Okay, till 6:30 you relax. Okay, then 6:30 to 7:30 prepare it. Okay, 7:30 to 10 relax, sleep. Or watch movie or okay, comedy show. Okay, Big Boss. I don't like that. Okay. Okay, IPL, yes. Okay. I don't like cricket. That's the thing. Okay. Okay. No, I used to see the travel blog. Okay. Not comedy. I used to see the travel blog. Actually, I was planned to go to Andaman Jarawa Island. Okay. Actually, luckily escaped. If I go, I'll be held up there. You know, I told you in February, planning to go to Andaman Island. Yes. Yes, I had planned to go to see the Jarawa, the origin of the human and all. Okay. Luckily, we escaped actually. If I go there, maybe 4 months I'll be there. Then lockdown now. I paid the money, advance I paid the travel agent. Okay, then travel agent, I cannot ask now the travel agent return the money because their condition is very bad. So how can I ask? Okay. So all tourism, travel agents and all very bad situation. Okay. Except in Dubai. Dubai guys, they got a lot of business from Kuwait passengers. Like Sarnesh and all, right? Sarnesh, 14 days spent there. Sarnesh is here now, right? That week. Anyone still in India? Your friends, anyone still in India? Oh, your sister also came through Dubai. Oh, really? Why sister so urgent came? Your sister name is what? I forgot. Lakshmi. Devi. Okay. So yeah, Haira's brother is in Dubai now, but now Dubai problem is they increase the flight tickets from Dubai to Kuwait. They increase the flight ticket. See, that's why I'm telling around more than 2 lakhs people coming to Kuwait through Dubai. More than that, this money all Dubai hotels getting. Okay, correct or no? If Kuwait arrange these facilities, compulsory 14 days hotel, Kuwait hotels will get. I don't know why these people didn't arrange like this. Now Dubai hotels business and all, they from the lockdown they got enough money. Okay, come on. So come to our question. So next one. Prove that tangent, prove that, hello, next question. Prove that the tangents at the extremities, what the meaning? Extremities, what the meaning? Hello guys. Extremities, what the meaning? End, yes, end. Prove that tangents at the extremities of any chord, EXT, REMITIES, extremities. Prove that the tangents at the extremities of any chord make equal angle with the chord. Makes equal angle with the chord. Make equal angle with the chord. Makes equal angle with the chord. Okay. Prove that the tangent at the extremities of any chord makes equal angle with the chord. Look at here. A here, B here. Okay. P here. What you have to find out? This angle and this angle equal. That's only. We have to find angle PAC. We have to find angle PAC. Angle PAC equal to angle PBC. PBA. We have to find angle PAB and PBA. PAB and PBA. Okay. Question again, Arjun. Prove that tangents at the extremities of any chord. For example, look here, at a chord here. We can make two tangents like this, right? This angle are equal. That's all you have to show. Prove that tangents at the extremities of any chord makes equal angle with the chord. Makes equal angle with the chord. Okay, finish. Very simple. Come on, everybody finish. Look at here. PA in triangle PAB. PA equal to PB. Tangents from an external points are equal. Therefore, angle PAB equal to angle PBA. Angles against the what is the reason? Angles opposite equal sides are equal. Correct or no? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Okay, finish. GIS, any test is coming? Sunday, which, oh, really? Master Sunday? Ah, okay, okay. But which chapter, Steve? Why didn't you tell me that? Ah, okay, okay. Give me a 25th now. So we have time. We can do the revisions. Okay. So now almost finished. Any chapter we can do the revision. Okay. So next question. Next one, star question. Okay. From an external point P. Next question. From an external point P. From an external point P, two tangents PA and PB. Two tangents PA and PB are drawn to the circle with center O. From an external, this is star question, okay? From an external point P. From an external point P, two tangents PA and PB. Two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle. From an external point P, from an external point P, from an external point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to the circle with center O. To the center O. Okay. Prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That means we are sure that AM equal to MB and that angle 90 degrees. M is 90 degrees. Look at here, question again. Question again. From an external point P, from an external point P here, not O, P. From an external point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn. PA and PB are drawn to the circle from an external point P. Two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. Prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That means we have shown that AM equal to MB and angle M 90 degrees. Okay, you try yourself. Okay, finish the question. Two tangents drawn from an external point P. Okay, show that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That means you have to prove AM equal to MB. Then angle M 90 degrees. That's the question.
Okay, finish. Come here. Okay, wait. Okay. Who all got that? They did a construction now. Join OA and OB, correct? Okay. There is a construction. Look at here. Look. Here, the construction is join this one. Look. We join this. Okay, now look at here. Hello, listen. Our aim is what? To prove what? AM equal to BM. This equal to this one. And angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to 90 degree. Okay, listen here now. In triangle, listen. In triangle OAP and OBP, this one equal to this one, right? OA equal to OB, radius. AP equal to PB. Tangent from an external points are equal. OP equal to OP common. Therefore, this angle, okay, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, CPCT. Right? Clear or no? Listen. In triangle OAP, in triangle OAP and OBP, OA equal to OB, PA equal to PB, OP equal to OP common. Then by SSS congruency, triangle OAP congruent to triangle OBP. Hence, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Up to that. In triangle OMA, OMB, OA equal to OB, proved. Angle 1, sorry, OA equal to OB, same radius. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, proved. OM equal to OM, common. Therefore, AM equal to MB, CPCT. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, CPCT. But 3 plus 4, 90 degree. From 1, 2, 3, we get OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Finish or not? Okay, I'll give the note. Okay, those not getting, listen, I'll give the note. Right. Construction. Construction. Join OA and OB.
join OA and OB. Join OA and OB. Then after that, in triangle, proof. In triangle OAP, OAP and OBP. In triangle OAP and OBP. OA equal to OA. OA equal to, sorry, OA equal to OB. OA equal to OB, same radius. PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. Tangents from an external points are equal. Tangents from an external points are equal. OP equal to OP, common. OP equal to OP, common. Therefore, triangle OAP, congruent to triangle OBP. OAP congruent to triangle OBP. SSS congruency. Hence, angle 1 equal to angle 2, CPCT. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, CPCT. Okay, after that, in triangle OAM, OAM and OBM, OAM and OBM. Angle 1, OA equal to OB, OA equal to OB, OA equal to OB, same radius. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, proved. OM equal to OM, common. OM equal to OM, common. Therefore, triangle OMA congruent to triangle OMB. OMA congruent to triangle OMB. SIS congruency. Hence, AM equal to MB, number 1 CPCT. AM equal to MB, number 1 CPCT. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. You mark it in your figure 3 and 4. Angle 3 equal to 4, number 2 CPCT. But angle 3 plus angle 4, 180 degree. Okay, okay. Okay, I'll send you. Okay. Angle 3 plus angle 4, 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 4, 180 degree, linear pairs. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree, linear pairs. From 1, 2 and 3 we get, from 1, 2 and 3 we get, OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, try. Is it okay now? Everyone check this one. Okay, finish. Hello, just go through all. Okay, finish. Just go through all this note. If anyone doubt, tell me. Okay, I'll wait 2 minutes. Okay. So next question, right? ABC, listen, next one is star question, okay? Small one and star, okay? ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at A. Right angle at A. Okay. ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at A. A circle is inscribed. A circle is inscribed. A circle is inscribed in it. The length of two sides containing the right angle. The length of two sides containing the right angle. The length of two sides containing the right angle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Length of two sides containing the right angle. Length of two sides containing the right angle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the radius of circle. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, once again, ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at A. Right angle at A. A circle is inscribed. A circle is inscribed. A circle is inscribed in it. A circle is inscribed in it. The length of two sides. The length of two sides. The length of two sides containing the right angle. The length of two sides containing the right angle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the radius of circle. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, try now. Mention this one. ABC ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at A. Draw a right triangle. Right angle is at A. A circle is inscribed. A circle is inscribed in it. The length of two sides. The length of two sides containing the right angle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the radius of circle. Find the radius of the circle. Okay. Okay, finish. Anybody got? Anybody got or not? I don't know. 2 centimeter. Okay, let us see. Okay, look at here. You did this one in similar triangle. I asked you this question, guess. Look at here. Here, look. A here, B here, C here. Okay. Here 6, 8, 10 here. This is a circle. Okay. Look, join this one, join this one. This is 90, 90, 90, 90. R here, R here, R here, R here. So this length, we can say this is P, Q. Okay, hey, you confused? On the figure. Look at here. Look at here. Okay, circle. Okay, here the center. This is P, Q, R. A here, B here, C here. This is 6 centimeter, 8. So this one 8. Pythagoras theorem. We join this one, join this. Okay, this angle 90 given. This is 90. Okay, this is 90. So this also 90. This is radius R. This radius R. This also R. So this will be 6 minus R. This also 6 minus R. This is R. So this is 8 minus R, 8 minus R. Now what? 8 minus R plus 6 minus R equal to 10. So 2R equal to 4. R equal to 2. R equal to 2. Okay, the same question you did in similar triangle. You remember or not? I told you to guess one question. How much is the radius? Okay, finish. Okay. So complete fast. So write one more question, okay? In two concentric circle, in two concentric circle, in two concentric circle, in two concentric circle, a chord of length 24 centimeter, in two concentric circle, in two concentric circle, a chord of length 24 centimeter, in two concentric circles, a chord of length 24 centimeter of larger circle. In two concentric circle, listen, in two concentric circle, a chord of length 24 centimeter of larger circle become tangent to smaller circle, tangent to smaller circle, tangent to the smaller circle, whose radius is 5 centimeter, whose radius is 5 centimeter. Find the radius of the larger circle. Find the radius of the larger circle. Okay, I think we didn't understand the question. In two concentric circle, look at here. In two concentric circle, a chord of length 24 centimeter, a chord of length 24 centimeter of larger circle become the tangent to smaller circle. Become the tangent to the smaller circle, whose radius is 5 centimeter. Whose radius is 5 centimeter. Whose radius is 5 centimeter. Find the radius of the larger circle. Find the radius of the larger circle. This is the figure. Look, in two concentric circle, a chord of length 24 centimeter, a chord of length 24 centimeter of larger circle become tangent to smaller circle. This is O. This is chord AB. That is 24 centimeter. Become tangent to smaller circle, whose radius is 5. Oh, cool. This radius is 5. Okay. So find the radius of the larger circle. Find the radius of the larger circle. Finish. Okay. Do first. Yes, finished. The last question. Okay. So everyone prepare nicely AP at least 1 hour. Okay. So finish this one. You join this one. Look. AB 24. So this will be what? 12. M. So we can find out OA what? 12 square plus 5 square. Answer what? 30. Okay. That's enough today. So prepare for AP, both sections. Okay. That's enough today.